Good morning, my beautiful viewers, and hope you all slept well. So in today's video, I would like to share with you guys what I will be having for breakfast. And over here, I have bread and I will be adding some lettuce to it. And also I'll be adding carrots and sausage. And lastly, I will be adding dressing yogurts. That's all. Yes. So guys, sit back. Let's fix this breakfast together. So guys, I will start by cutting the sausage into small pieces. So guys, as you can see, I'm done cutting the sausage. The next thing I will be doing now is to grate the carrots. Set it aside and turn on the heat, and also place my frying pan on the cooker. So guys, as you can see, I added little butter into the frying pan. I will just wait for a few minutes for the butter to melt. Now it's ready, and I'll be adding my sausage inside the frying pan and then fry for 3 minutes. It's 3 minutes gone and the sausage is ready. So the next thing I'll be doing now is to cut the bread into 2 equal parts. Then spread the dressing cream into the bread and then place the lettuce. When I'm done placing the lettuce, I will put the carrot. Yes, I'll be adding enough carrots. So guys, when I'm done with the carrots, I will still add the dressing cream on top. Then after that, I will add the sausage. Delicious, delicious. Oh my god. So guys, this is it. I'll be washing it down with a cup of chocolate drink. So guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to hit on the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And also, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe, please. I will see you guys in my next video. I love you all. Mwah.